Are you tired of the guesswork in stock investing? What if you could simplify stock picking and build a winning portfolio tailored just for you? Meet Sterling Stock Picker, your ultimate tool for smarter, data driven investments. Sterling Stock Picker takes the stress out of investing by offering personalized stock recommendations based on your unique risk tolerance and financial goals. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, this tool is designed to help you make confident decisions. Here's how it works. Simply input your risk tolerance, and Sterling Stock Picker will analyze the market to identify the best stocks and cash holdings for your portfolio. It's like having a personal investment advisor at your fingertips. With Sterling Stock Picker, you can discover stocks that align with your financial goals, track your portfolio's performance across key categories, optimize your investments for growth, ease, and acceleration. Plus, the intuitive tools and easy-to-interpret visuals make it simple to stay informed and make smart decisions. And here's the best part. Sterling Stock Picker is built for all investor levels. Whether you're just starting out or you're a pro, this tool guides you every step of the way. Get lifetime access to Sterling Stock Picker today. Plus, with a 60-day money-back guarantee, you can try it risk-free for 2 months. If it's not right for you, no worries. Your investment is protected. Ready to simplify your stock picking and take control of your investments? Click the link below to get started with Sterling Stock Picker today. Your winning portfolio is just a click away. Sterling Stock Picker, because your financial future deserves the best. Take control of your financial future today. Visit Sterling Stock Picker and let's build a winning portfolio together. Click the link below to get started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all our latest content. Until next time, happy investing.